はい、それでは新しい文法を勉強します。We start learning a new grammar. When you buy a bag at the store, how do you say, please give me this bag? I will take this bag. I will buy this bag. Please pause and think about it. そうですね。くださいかお願いしますでした。じゃあこれをください。じゃあこのカバンをお願いします。じゃあこのカバンをください。Either one is fine. The longer the politer, so this is a little politer. And you can use お願いします for not just items like bag, but services like show me or tell me or please, those kind of services. The question is what's the verb I keep using here? Oh, remember when we studied hiragana, we learned this, we just pronounce just like o, but it's only for particle, direct object particle. So, じゃあこれをお願いします。じゃあこのカバンをください。So new grammar is verb sentences. These are verbs, action. So what we studied up to last lesson is noun sentence. New grammar is verb sentence. Please pause here and think about what's the Japanese translation of these two sentences. So for noun sentence, it's just same old, two square grammar. You have two squares, means equal, and you put wa, this. So what goes into the first box? これ. Because there's no noun, you have to say これ, not この. これは私の傘です。これは私の傘です。So how about new grammar, verb sentence? Again, it's very simple, but you have to switch your brain from the old structure. It's completely different. When you have a verb, you have to put the verb always at the end. And what's the verb read? Yomu. Yomu. So in a casual form, you just put yomu at the end of the sentence and do all the rest of the information before the verb. But what we study is a polite form. So you need to change yomu, dictionary form, to polite form. Masu. This is dictionary form. 辞書形ですね、辞書形。はい、読む。読む。辞書形 you can find, just like the name, you can find this form in a dictionary. So when you look up the meaning of this verb, you always type in 読む. But in a polite form, you need to change to mas form, polite form. 読む、読みます、読みます. So when you put the verb at the end of the sentence, you're grammatically done. So write everything before, all the rest of the information before the verb, like 私, ほ. Soon the sentence gets longer, but the word order is very flexible in Japanese. Just make sure the verb is always at the end and you have a good particle after each noun. After each noun, then you can switch the order of these nouns. So what's the particle after 私? ね、私は. How about after 本? そうです。おですね。いきましょう。私は本を読みます。This is the natural word order, but grammatically you can switch this one. 本を私は読みます。We understand the meaning because even though that you switch the word order, because you have a good particle after each noun. If you make a mistake, particle after each noun, it changes the whole meaning. So be very careful what particle comes after each noun. もう一度いきます。私は本を読みます。本を私は読みます。